Hey guys, Mr. Short here. Just wanted to touch base to let you know that unfortunately we're not able to meet on campus. I'm still here for you. There's different ways you can reach me. The first way you can reach me by emailing me at esshort at clevelandcountyschools.org, and I'll try my best to respond to those emails within 24 hours. You can also call my classroom at 704-476-8000 and then put in my extension, which is 4081. And I will return those messages just as soon as possible. Starting tomorrow, Thursday, March 25th, we will be starting my virtual office hours. I will be meeting every Tuesday and Thursday from 10 a.m. to 11 a.m. To answer any questions that you may have regarding the lesson for the week or any other things that you may need help with in the class. We'll be using Google Meet to facilitate that online meeting. Here very shortly, I'll be sending out an email to each of you that has the link in it to allow you access to that meeting. I look forward to speaking to you and seeing you soon. Stay safe and go Patriots.